I hear that train a-comin', rolling around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. See, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keep dragging on, and I hear that lonesome whistle on down to San Antone. I was just a baby. Well, my mama told me, son, she said, always be a good child. Don't ever play with the guns. I shot a man in Maryville just to watch him die. Now I hear that lonesome whistle, hang my head and cry. Well, I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car. I bet they're smoking coffee, drinking big cigars. I knowed I had it coming, knowed I can't be free, but that whistle keeps it blowing. That's what tortures me. If it freed me from this prison, if the railroad train was mine, bet I'd move her on a little farther down the line, far from Folsom Prison, where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. And I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.